Get across. Do you want a picture here? Got a selfie? I'm thinking always more in selfie terms, supposed to my complicated selfie stuff. This takes the picture of the. That was quick. Done it. Are you happy with it? Like okay? Yeah. So you go. It's oh buddy. Cool. How much food? You have some salads. Yes. Well, that's a nice dance.
Give them a bit of coins.
Yeah, I give them coins. I've got coins.
Are they collecting coins?
I hope somewhere.
Otherwise it will be embarrassing.
Well, if you don't see,
Well, the cars in front, I don't see anything.
I don't see they have. Seem to be. But they're in the streets. Kind of on the streets. I did like So what do you think they are saying?
As if you bump into someone below and they say, "Hi, Freddy." It has happened to me
They say
many times.
they want Brady.
I know I have Freddy, and I understand so Freddy.
Yes.
Why do I hear a hi, Freddy? And it's just it's nicer today than when
I'm more tired than or exhausted. No. We came at the point we couldn't even climb there, and here we're still kind of how do you say, motivated enough to. So what do we film here? We film the people, we film the streets, everything. I think they get everything in the middle. And what would you prefer?
the whole thing, the whole view. And you sometimes turn with your camera a bit to the left and sometimes a bit to the right.
Yeah,
I need to take a picture of this.
That's there.
In Playa La Fina.
that's there. Oh, there's the same sign is up further down.
Yeah, but there's people there too.
No, you can just use the same. Unless
This
when
is
it
fine.
dries,
This is fine. I can take it here.
or you take it from the other side as well.
husband tells me don't wait, take it as soon
No,
as
the
you...
picture is a snap. It's not a video recording. That's the, what do you call the whole difference. Once you stop, take time. Alright.
Next playa.
Yeah, and our next bench is slightly slippery. There's
Look
one.
at that gate.
It's some ancient from Cuba also.
From this side. And there's a bench there.
Yeah, but the sun would be in our eyes. So hopefully there's benches on the other side as we turn. Then you can film. At the top of the... Yeah, go ahead, but it's against the sun, so it's... Nothing really. The port is there. Yeah. It's a nice one, very entertaining. Careful. Now that's full of people. I think that's probably the most popular. It's called Royal Dolphin or Delphin. What is it? Is it Royal Dolphin or Royal Dolphin? You see, if we had
Dolphin watching.
No, we can do it one day. It's a choice of what entertains you. What? Probably. Someone must be drawing it. Must be hiding in one of those stones. Now, as you can see, people are queuing there at the end. They have Belgian flags, Dutch, and so they walk all the way, and you can even watch more by putting some money here. For how long is it going to take? Are we going to sit down or not? nightclub. La Pinta. You see, that's the markings on the backs are like fingerprints.
The sea full of contrasts which never fails to amaze. Cables, nets, plastic, it's about how dolphins get caught into. This is a nice one.
Passionate, I don't know how passionate with everything. Anyway, we have to sit down.
Catamaran, maybe they're waiting to get on the catamaran. I see people have swum to those little islands there. See? Before the sea. That's kind of a nice, it seems like a nice place actually.
Huh?
Seems like a nice place. Sandy beach, and then you can swim through the rocks.
Playa del Duque. The Duque is considered to be the posher you go, the posher you get.
Shortage in England of medication for flu and cold. Maybe we should buy some before we leave here.
Got to Los Cristianos. You won't be allowed to bring a huge. Hold on, I'll take some pictures.
Are you filming? Someone is snorkeling there as well. You see that? Shall I sing a song for you? Freddy, they're getting on the catamaran, I think. Look. See? They're getting on the catamaran, I think. Can you take this, please? Did you see the snorkeling man?
Yeah, I've seen it.